Thinking about picking up a new battery-powered 18-gauge brad nailer? Well, this one was sent to me over by the sellers. I'm glad they did. I've been using it all day about putting planners together, and I'm going to put one together for you because what better way to show off a tool than actually use it? But before I do, let me just break it down. It is a little top heavy, but the grip is rubber and it fits great in my hand. Putting in the battery is really simple. On the back side of the battery, you're going to have an area that it's going to show you how much juice is left. They also gave you a charger, so all you have to do is just simply slide it into place and it will start charging. I only had to charge it once throughout the whole day and I've already made 5 full planters. Slide it together and now you're ready to go. Now, loading the nails is easy. All you have to do is pinch it and place your 18-gauge nails right here. It goes up to 1.25 inches. I've been using between 1.25 inches and just 1 inch and have had no issues. Once it's locked in, you're ready to go. There is a power button underneath here, and then you're able to do either a single nail or multiple nails depending on what you're working on. It does come with a case, which is great. So when I am not using it, I could put it away and everything will be protected. So now let the fun begin and let me install this planner together and show you how it works. And that's how simple it is to use this 18-gauge brad nailer to put together a planter box. You could use this putting together planter boxes. You could use it putting trim inside your kitchen, crown molding in your living room, or anything in between. This is a great brad nailer for your next project. If you want something light enough to use all day long and really not feel worn out at the end of the day, go out and grab one of these. You're not going to be disappointed. Full disclosure though, I do make a small commission off the sale of every one of these. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.